Folding canopy, built-in motor remote control settings. 1. Frequency matching setup. First, here is our folding awning with a built-in motor and our remote control. After connecting the power cable, turn on the power. Once the motor vibrates once, press the P2 button on the remote once. Then press P2 again. And finally press the up button on the remote. This will complete the frequency matching for the motor. 2. Direction reversal setting. If pressing the down button on the remote makes the awning move up, you need to perform a direction reversal setting. First, disconnect the power, then reconnect it. Next, press the P2 button once. Then press P2 again. And finally press the down button once. This will successfully reverse the motor's direction. 3. Remote pairing. If multiple remote controls need to operate the same folding canopy, follow these steps. Press the P2 button twice on the already paired remote. Then, press the P2 button once on the new remote. This will successfully pair both remotes to the same awning motor. 4. Clearing remote pairing. To delete all paired remotes for the folding canopy, take a previously paired remote. Press the P2 button once. Then press the stop button once. And finally press the P2 button once again. This will clear all remote pairings, and the motor will no longer respond to any previously connected remotes. 5. Setting travel limits. To set the canopy's open or close limits, press the P2 button once. Then press the up button once. Press the P2 button twice to enter fine-tuning mode. The motor will start running automatically. When it reaches the desired position, press the pause button to stop. Press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. The motor will jiggle back and forth, confirming the limit position is saved. 6. Clearing all travel limits. To delete all preset canopy limits, press the P2 button once. Press the down button once. Press the P2 button once again. The system will confirm deletion by resetting all travel limits.